Hi food lovers, have you ever wondered if having a meal plan would really make healthy eating easier? You've heard me say it before, but let's hear it from people who have done it and people who have gone through my personal meal plans. And this is what they have to say about whether or not it makes eating healthier easier. Yes, so easy to spend a few hours prepping so I can grab and go. Planning is critical for making healthy choices. Yes, having tasty recipes I look forward to eating simply enough that I was able to do them and not get overwhelmed or discouraged before starting. Trying new ingredients. Yes, I loved having the week planned out. I wasn't tempted to buy food from the cafeteria because I had good food in the fridge waiting for me. Yes, don't have to worry about finding recipes. If I had meals prepped, I'm less likely to skip and eat bad. I learned how to read ingredient labels and what to look for. I tried a variety of food and recipes I never would have thought of trying on my own. Emily is so helpful, attentive, and responds really quickly. Last one. Yes, definitely. I felt more confident making choices based on the information that was provided. Everything was laid out. I had no planning to do. These are people who have done my meal plan, and they did it during a pandemic. So that just really goes to show that having a meal plan laid out for you for your week, and of course things are going to come up. It's not always going to be perfect, but having a plan that you can try to stick to is going to be so much better and reduce so much stress than not having any plan at all. If you would like to get in and see what the fuss is all about and why meal planning is just changing lives, join my meal plan. You can get more information and register at anywherenutrition.com.